Welcome to Airweb by Reality Border, available at airweb.ai, your AI agent for seamless 24/7 customer engagement across web and phone channels. Begin by clicking the Get Started button, selecting the plan that best fits your business, and creating your account by entering your email, password, and confirming your password. Check out our FAQ section for any questions. Once signed in, navigate to the subscription section, click Subscribe on your chosen plan, and complete the checkout with your credit card and email through Stripe. Now, let's configure your AI agent. In the AI Agent Config section, enter your email to receive customer requests and set a basic prompt for your agent. Need a phone number? Select a US number with your preferred state and area code, then confirm your choice. When you're happy with your setup, click Apply Changes, and you're ready to receive calls on your new number. To add your AI agent avatar to your website, first enter the domain or subdomain where it will appear and click Apply Changes. Then, copy the code snippet provided. Insert the snippet between the body tags of each page where you'd like the avatar to appear, and your personalized AI agent will be live on your site, just like the one on airweb.ai. For a hands-on experience, we recommend visiting our site to test interactions with the AI agent, so you can see exactly how your own customized avatar will engage with your customers in real time.